Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice. Ooh. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. I'll continue to chart my annuals. My annuals. Everything free in America for a small fee in America. Hold on. Uh-huh. I mean, why we don't? Why would we even need it? You see, now looks different. Now looks different. So technically, we need to wait for for monthly levels to be formed. We need a transition extremum on monthly, so that to do anything on daily, it's an interesting situation. So, and I want to go back to my Toyota real quick. Together real quick. Yeah. Okay. Everything free in America for a small fee in America. You are alright in America if you can fight in America. I've just learned the new. I'm not following the news, but I've just learned that this comedian and Trump supporter just called Puerto Rico some bad words, like a pile of garbage in the ocean or something. It's like, yeah, it's freedom of speech. I get it, but it just, how does it fly when people say things like this? Why don't they get canceled? Like, we can be stronger as a society, I think. Yeah, it's hard to tell because I'm coming from different environment where people don't say things like that. Okay, let's see now. In America. Yeah, freedom of speech is a bitch. Okay, you see, I cut off the levels here, and that was not, that wouldn't be necessary. if I had this level so right away. So it was a transition extremum, and now transition extremum again. You see what I'm saying? A lot of things become more clear. With the annual levels. I'll need them monthly. So yeah. That's it. That's it. This all does matter. You see reversal. Yeah. Someone remind me I have a call in 30 minutes. So no, this doesn't look that bad. It looks great actually. Things are alright in America. If you can fight in America. Yeah. This really. So why this now? Yeah, right. 2, 2. So what we have here, this is a weird side of strength. It has no spread. It has no spread. Look at this spring. Oh, little and cute. Things can be bright in America if you all white in America. Well, at least they got the BIPOC cast in 2021 West Side Story. That's an accomplishment. I hope they're Puerto Ricans. Yeah. Well, that would have worked actually. Look at this little quickie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's right there. Doo-doosh. Nice and juicy. Just because it's monthly level. Nothing in addition was needed. Strong approach. Wait for test. Test wouldn't have worked. And it went to neutral zone, yeah, so. Was there anything on hourly? If you can fight in America. Transition. Yeah. Hard to tell. Hard to tell. That looks alright. It's like far above 0.5. That was the problem. I think. Oh, and now. Yeah. And now. There was a transition extremum. I think it's going down now. Yeah, I think I charted it like this. The first time it was a coincidence of the levels, matching levels. I don't know how to call it in English, proper English, please. Not from me. That's a transition extreme on hourly. If you can fight in America. Alright, let's put it on hourly watch. Oh, that would be interesting. Not really, but okay, so that would be valid, I think, to see it like this. Yeah, I think this is legit. Look at the volume build up. That was the biggest volume. This downtrend. This is end of downtrend, the end. Dun, 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 dun. Don't tell me you don't know who I'm singing right now. Just don't. Yeah, nothing changed. Sorry. It's legitimate. It's a short impulse. Context direction is short. Is it a? It's a balance though. Oh, it's a balance. You don't trade. That's not how it works. And also, this is not a test. So, I don't know. I don't know what to make of it. This guy. It's like a balance. Bing. Well, there is no levels. Well, there is. So in every situation like this. But I mean, what is this midstream incorporated? Anyone knows? $8 billion, 400 employees. Natural gas. Detroit. Send him to Detroit. Anyone remembers Kentucky Fried movie? Send him to Detroit. Well, I mean, how is that different from that comic talking garbage about Puerto Rico? Go figure. Yeah. Political correctness is a bitch as well. So super technically, I'll have to wait another year to know the reaction. So how does that make any sense? But yeah, technically I'm waiting for transition extremum. That's wild. This is getting hairy, this annual thing. Because if it manipulates the level, I'll have to wait like 2 years to know the results. That's wild. Hey child, stay wild from me. Yeah, send him to Detroit. Not very PC as well. I've never been, but I've heard stories. I've heard stories. This is a balance, balance, balance. It's only broke out of this balance. Yeah. This is a balance. And that's a sign of strength. Jump over creek. I got so happy. I corrected myself. Jump over creek. I'm so excited about it. That might be one of like limiting factors of my trade. I'm really more of a scholar who's like super excited and also super tense about doing anything wrong. You know, super excited about being right, like in the school. Like I'm right. Look, I'm right. And also like getting too tense when it's like any suspicions that I'm wrong. I think that prevents like getting rid of this habit can elevate my trading. That's what I think. Oh, you see, this isn't a break, so this is all good. Yeah. Still can't come to this level, but once it does, look at this. Look at this guy. Once it comes here, if it does, it'll be perfect. It expanded the level. This all doesn't matter. Just needed to come here. That would be great. Look at this volume though. This volume is just bananas. Okay. Yeah, let's talk about it. As my acting coach used to say after the scene. Okay, let's talk about it. I was like, oh shit. Okay. 338. So like super technically is, oh yeah, I'm sorry. That's the level. That's the level right there. Well, let's keep it so. Just for fun. Where's the biggest volume? And look at the volumes. Yeah. So, 238, 230. Yeah. So that's the biggest volume of this whole shebang. She bangs. What does shebang? I mean, see, it held at first and tried to spring it, and then this volume and breach incorporated. What is in breach incorporated? Anyone knows? Goes to 0.5 and here holds for a little while. But yeah, it doesn't. Oops, doesn't change a bit. And on a monthly. Daily though, it's good for short and volumed. Tomorrow's the last day, you guys. Tomorrow is the last day. What else? It's charted. There's actually a level here. Yeah. It's a legit level. I know. Whoever charted this was drunk. Ice muffin American. Life is alright in America. If you can fight in America. Yeah. So good. And this volume, BEMS. It's a good volume, but it's not normally how the levels are broken. Hear me out, guys. Volume is amazing, but it just like goes from a neutral zone and hits it, and this volume comes in. This is a reversal. Dodgy. Evening star reversal, they call it in some cultures. In no way it's a balance. Except if you see this as the bullish. Except for if you see that it's not a balance anyways. One bar reversal. Bye bye. This is a good candidate to reverse, I think. CRM. Yeah. Life can be bright in America. If you're all white in America. They forgot to mention the accent. Life is all bright in America. If you're all white with no accent in America. Something like that, I think. That would be like fair to say. Accent is a factor. Believe me or not. Yeah. How would I know anyways? I don't carry an accent, so. Tell me why though? Or how the heck did why though, right? Or Vizo? He's my hero, guys. To do things like he did. I mean, you have to be a character. I'm from Louisiana. He's great. I wasn't a fan how James Franco pushed him out like during the Emmy ceremony. Like he took him up on stage, and when Tommy tried to say something, he just like no, pushed him out. I was like, damn, that's not right. And Carmi is a bitch. And James Franco didn't end up so well. Um, it's funny how you can sometimes tell in people's demeanor, like something is off with this guy. His acting is great though. I dig disaster artist. His brother is solid. Like everyone is good in there. And you can kill me, but I don't know what this thing is doing. Well, play by the book, transitioning strong, good volume. Looks like you know, oh, like buyer's takeover or something like that. So, wait, what we're looking for here? We're like in neutral zone. Yeah, for all its worth, it's not continuation of the trend. I don't know what it is, but it's not a continuation of the trend. Now. So yeah, guys, if you haven't watched Disaster Artist yet, watch it. And what was the reason? What was it like? What Door? Like what was the original movie called? For those of you who doesn't know, the Tony is um, presumably a Polish. It's a known fact. He's a Polish immigrant who, at some point of his life, came out in San Francisco with $6 million to shoot a movie. And he was a disaster artist, and most of the cast that he was able to hire was pretty much the same. So they took this 6 meals, which was heck a lot of money back in 2000, beginning of 2000s, and they shot a movie. So, and it became like a cult movie, you know, so good it's like so bad it's a good movie, that type of movie. And he actually like gained some success by traveling around the world, showing the movie, and people would come dressed up in the costumes, like movie costumes, and like repeating the most famous phrase became memes, like "Why, Lisa? Why?" and stuff like that. So yeah, check him out. My friend worked with him. He was producing Samurai Cop 2, and they did the Thomas cameo there. So I don't know. Technically, like an inferior time frame, we shouldn't chart it here, but it broke. It broke above the yeah, it broke above the point. Look at this volume too. Look at this volume. A good exhaustion volume candidate, if you ask me. But what do I know? Why, Lisa? Why? there is no 0.5. There is no maybe, yeah, nothing. Tintin, transition extra. Yeah. It's still good in continuation of the trend though. Yeah, I see the problem is this like annual time frame is that like many things, like I will know if this is a 1-bar rule or 1-bar reversal only by January of 2026. But for now, it's trend, but it's still on. You know what I mean? So that's a little confusing, but it is what it is. I think the cure is it broke? So after it goes over transition extremum, I can continue charging it. There is no shame in it. Okay, this D guy has been charged already. Turn around. Oof. It can be up for the like bigger correction. So once it's broke the level, and I assume it broke the level. Yeah, it goes up. Yeah. It's a difficult situation. And it's 0.5. And you remember DiCaprio from Wolf of Wall Street? Situation. Another situation. Yeah. It's right there. It's right there. If you like it hot. It is a balance. As funny as it is. So here now I can't because it needs a transition extremum, and I don't have one yet. And I don't have one yet. That's why I can chart it like this. I don't know if it like brings any order into my mess. I'm waiting for a call, so let me chart till my friend pops up. We are planning a Slavic Film Festival showcase on March 22nd in West Hollywood. You guys, if you happen to be in West Hollywood in March, on March 22, come check us out in the chambers, right by the Pacific Design Center, where Sir Elton John resides with his AIDS Foundation, and biggest pre-Oscar parties in town and probably in the world, because you guys know that Los Angeles proudly hosts the Oscars ceremony. Oh wow, look how beautiful it is. I want to cry. Makes me want to cry. This beauty makes me want to cry. It's a beautiful balance. 0.5. It looks. I wanted to short here. Wait. Ah, yeah, right. But no. You see? Again, changes everything. It's a transition extreme now. Huh. You see? Bounced. So yeah.